Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Girls High School Kalamawad of class 8. Dear students, in the previous video we were discussing about the basic practices of crop production. The first topic we study, the first subtopic is the right kind of soil. So in this paragraph we discussed that we should have a fertile soil so that our crop is healthy, so that our yield is healthy. And the second one is the selection of right seeds. The seeds that we use to sow in our fields, these seeds, they should be disease free seeds, and they should be very viable for germination. So selection of right seeds. After the land has been prepared, seeds are selected for sowing. Seeds to be sown must be free from diseases, so the seeds may be disease free seeds and also resistant to diseases. It means, first of all, the seeds should be free from diseases, or the diseases may not attack these seeds. These seeds should be viable for germination. The seeds are so good that they may germinate easily, so that the baby plant comes out of these seeds. The seeds should be obtained from a healthy plant, and the seeds that we use, they should be collected from the healthy plant. Seeds of good quality can be had from the National Seed Corporation. So we can get the better seeds from the National Seed Corporation. And whenever we sow a seed, the sowing of seed is called sowing. There are two methods, which first method is scattering seeds in fields by hand. So when we sow the seeds scatteredly with the help of hands, this is one method. This method is called as broadcasting. In many developing countries, seeds are no longer sown by hand, but in the developed countries, seeds are not sown by hand. Even when it is broadcasted, it is shown by a machine called a broadcaster. So seeds are sown with the help of broadcaster, which is made up of long hopper to hold the seed, and a series of spinning discs we scatter the seed as they fall through the bottom of the hopper at a controlled rate. So you will see here, this is a broadcaster and a seed driller. With the help of this machine, this broadcaster, the man is sowing his seeds in the fields without sowing the seed by the help of hands. So the second method of sowing is by using seed drill. This method is widely used in India. The simplest seed drill consists of a vertical tube with a seed bowl. This arrangement is tied to the plow, and the farmer drops the seed into the bowl. As the plow drags on the seed drill, the country plows is often adopted to line sowing. There are a number of modifications in the seed drill. The principle is in all is the same. So in the seed driller, what there is a tube-like structure in which the seeds are drawn, and there is a plow, is there is a plow, and the plow basically plows the field, and the seed is drawn into the soil in a line as it is a vertical tube. This vertical tube consists of a seed bowl. Okay? So this is mostly practiced in India. The next is raising seedling in nurseries. In the cultivation of paddy and many vegetables, the seeds are first grown in the nursery bed under great care of the farmer so that they are not damaged, and only after a certain stage they are transferred to the main field. As you know that some of the crops are grown first in the nursery, like we have paddy plant. The paddy In the paddy plant we use first, a nursery is prepared with a great care, and after that these paddy plants are transported to different fields. This is called as transplanting. It is a practice of taking seedlings which are prepared in these seedlings are prepared in the nursery, and uh, mm, these seedlings are taken from nursery to the main field. This is called as transplanting. Transplanting allows better penetration of roots into the soil. In transplanting, the seeds are there in the spaces kept between the plants, so that there is a better root development. The roots of the plants easily move into the soil, with which the plants get enough sunlight and air for better development. So transplanting is a common practice in rice and many other vegetables. Before transplanting, the main field is appropriately plowed and manured. During the transporting, proper distance is kept between the plants and rows enable the plants to receive sufficient sunlight and water. For paddy plants, the main field is also flooded with water. Seeds should be thrown at a proper depth in the soil. So dear students, when we transplant these seedlings from nursery to the main field, and in the main field these seedlings are uh, kept, the space is kept between the seedlings, so that the air, the sunlight, and the roots get proper development, leads to the proper development of these plants. So transplanting is also an important factor in the increase of crop production. So dear students, uh, in next video we have to do the activity. In this activity is meant this activity the main theme of the activity is that the seeds should have a space between them. Dear students, and this activity we will discuss in next video. Stay connected.